A palindrome is a word that is spelled the same forward and backwards, spelled exactly the same. So I'm going to do the coding to test for a palindrome. So examples of a palindrome is the word race car. So let's make it eat. Okay, eat is not a palindrome. Let's enter the word race car. Race car. Okay, so yes, palindrome, race car is a palindrome. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to build up a new word from the back to the front. Okay, so I'm going to start at the back of my word that was entered, and I'm going to build up a new word. So I'm going to take the R, then add the A, then add the C, then the E, then the C, then the A, and then the R. And then I'm going to compare the two words to check whether it's the same. And if the two words is the same, the new word and the old word, then I know it's a palindrome. If it's not the same, it is not a palindrome. Okay, so I made two variables, S word and S new. The word that the guy enters is saved into S word. Then I'm going to use a for loop. I'm going to start at the last character. The last character, to get that value, I'm going to use the length method. So I'm going to say length of S word. It will say it was the race car. And then we'll take the last letter of race car down to 1. So it's going to go down to 1. So another good thing is we should actually start S new. Make sure that it is empty when we start off, because we don't want any garbage in S new, and then add the last character to the garbage. Okay, so at the moment it will be empty. Then we say the empty field, empty variable S new plus the last character, which the race car, which is the R in race car. So add that to nothing, then we will have the R in the variable S new. So it will go up and take the second last one, which is the A. So it will say the A plus the current value in S new, which is R. Just add them together. Then go up, then take the C, the next one, because it's moving down to. So add the C, then the E, then the C, then the A, and then the last R. And then the for loop will end because it reached 1. Then I'm going to test if the old word is the same as the new word, then yes, it's a palindrome, else no, it's not a palindrome. Okay, the show message, I just entered in the show message just to show you how the word is built up. So race car, you will see it will first put in the R, then add the A, then the C, then the E, then the C, then the A, and then the R. And then it's going to compare this word to the original word in S word. If it's the same, it will say yes. If it's not the same, it's going to say no.